grind for the money, money.
Cheers! Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
Hello everyone! Hello! This is your girl Victoria and Zedibe. It's been a while you saw me in the kitchen. If you're new to my channel, hi! How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria and Zedibe, and my returning subscribers. Waiting they happen, waiting they happen for the next. Hey! Guys, so I just want to show you some of the things we'll be using to make our Nigerian delicacies and snacks. We have our plantains, eggs for meat pies, and both our moi-moi. And I want to show you guys this. This is our Jamaican sauce. Look at that. My friend Monique showed me this recipe. It's really nice for grilling. We have our carrots for coleslaws, fried rice, and meat pie, of course. We have our spring onions for fried rice and the meat saucing. We have our onions and peppers, and this is our meat stock for the fried rice. I just wanted to show you guys. Salad cream for salad, potatoes for our meat pie. We have our baked beans and sweet corn for our coleslaw, and we have our veggies. This is going to look really nice. Look, we have the yellow, the green, and red bell pepper. It's going to look very nice. I've already soaked my beans. As you can see, this is what I'll be blending to make my moi-moi. This is our turkey. We have some turkey beef. We're still adding a few more meat. I'm going to add the Jamaican sauce to this, and guys, you can imagine how that's going to look. I'm boiling my goat meat in this pot. This air fryer is amazing. Look at this. Look at our fish. I'm going to put this off because this is exactly where I need it, because I still want to use some, tomato sauce to make this look really good. Look at that. I'm going to be showing you guys a different style. It really tastes good. It actually tastes like party moi-moi. You know those moi-moi you buy at the eatery, like Mega Chickens and the rest. I'm going to just cut this, like chop it and put it inside my blender, and blend it together with my onion and try to make a sauce out of it, like literally fry it with the groundnut oil.
That's why I allow you, allow you. Poverty no be for me, yeah. I steady grinding, no funny. I just let this them I love me for the money, my money. I shout out to my mommy, I shout out to my homie. Yeah, already knows we don't holy. The money coming with a ballin'. And I've seen so many goons, some be acting funny, cause they feel that they got me money. That's why you wanna take my hand, but that shit ain't even funny. I'm Game Boy steady, I be ballin'. Who I bless nobody test them. Who I bless nobody cause
I'm making a lot of things today, and I will not be doing it alone, because the next time you see me, you'll be looking at me together with my twin sister and my friend Cynthia. Okay, Cynthia is here, and she came bearing gifts.
Thanksgiving, you all!
She came bearing gifts. Thank you so much. Ooh.
More in the car.
There's more drink. Oh my god.
All this sleepless night every day with the grind non-stop. You know, say we do it for the money, yeah. Cause this life, funny, yeah.
Up next is
I'm steady on the road, always down for the move. Cause I do it for the money, yeah.
This is what the onion looks like. Next, we're adding minced meat.
For me. I steady grinding, funny. All these ladies, them I love me for the money, my money. I shout out to my mommy. I shout out to my homie, my real homie. I ready to the money coming with a ballin'. And I've seen so many goons, some be acting funny, cause they feel that they got the money. That's why you wanna take my money. But that shit ain't even funny.
All-purpose spice.
I bless nobody cause nobody I just wanna live my life. I just wanna see my wife. You know the street rough.
Hey! while he's blending.
I think it's the bell pepper I'm cutting right now. If you were paying attention in the kitchen, you would realize that.
Okay, so cut the carrots.
Gang time, then it's gang time. Then you know how hard that'll go. Steady.
Cheers! Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
Rich women with rich husbands. What do we have in here? So here I have my flour, I have milk, I have sugar, and I have a teaspoon of salt. Okay. So mix thoroughly before using your butter, right? Right. Now she's going to add the butter for me, and then I'm going to kind of mix all of them in, okay? The flour will prevent the butter from sticking to your hands. So we put 2 full spoons now. We're going to add another one just because we want to make a big dough. Mix it in properly and it forms a very good breadcrumb. Now we have our breadcrumb, everything is smoothly mixed. And up next we're adding water. Just little by little. Is this perfect or what? Alright, this is how I make fried rice. This is our stock water. I'm going to add fried rice seasoning.
And I've seen so many goons, some be acting funny, cause they feel that they got me money. That's why you wanna take my hand, but that shiny and even funny. I'm Game Boy steady, I've been ballin'. Who I bless nobody test time.
Ready to kill a baby girl, yeah. She may run to queen, that's why I call you my niece, say. Oh yeah. Funny, tell me what you feel, girl. You like it in Miami, on seashells. Everything you want me, let me on me, girl. If you're lucky, you can pay me for free, you just put it on, girl. If you wanna turn around, tell me, girl. Everything that you see in my belief, girl. If you're lucky, you can put it on me, girl. Run to queen, that's why I call you my niece, say.
Victoria.
Why am I hugging you?
This is Amaka.